Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, I will explain you how we can use the set reset command in INVT PLC. Model which I am using 3624 MAT IVC1L. So let's get started. First of all, we will open our AutoStation software and here we will take a one input address, an example x0. This is my first input of my PLC and click OK. And if you like to be this comment remove or like to change, simply go to the modify element comment and here you can change any comment. An example, we will type the set and click it OK. And next we need to be take the set command. In the AutoStation software, here in the search bar, not available this set command. So we have to be take from the instruction tree. We have to be go to the instruction tree and here you can see this you will be found the set reset command. Very simple and easy method. You can drag and drop the system, can drag from there and you can put it there in the ladder window. And here you have to be give the number of which you like to be make it set. Y, M or S which you like to be. For an example, physical output I like to be make set directly, can do no problem. Y 0. 0 or here number you can change how much numbers you like to be make. For an example 5, 6 number I like to make it set. No problem, can be make it set. And click it OK. And you can see our command is ready in the ladder window. This we have to be make with the we have to be little click it on the window and no, it's not done like any. Again we will be go to the instruction tree and we can drop and drag it here and give the number y0 or y1 and click OK. Now it's OK. And here this we will be delete and here we will take the another bit. An example we take x1 and click it OK. And little if you like to make more you can make. And next we have to be give the signal at for the reset. This also we can drag and drop this function and here, and we have to give the y and which number we used for the set y1. So we will take also y1 because of we have to make the set reset y1 single bit we need. Here we take y0 and here we take y1. No, not possible. We have to be take the must be same same y1 only single bit we have to be need to set and reset. And this is also like to be change the comment. You can go to the modify element comment and here you can type the RST and click OK. You can see our number is changed. So this program we will be downloaded the PLC. Click it on the download and click it OK. Yes, and click download and your program is now successfully downloaded into the PLC. This is the same function at the latch on latch. In previous video already I explained how we can make the latch and latch system. Latch and latch and the set reset is the same function, but this is I think so this is set reset function can be used in various areas in the program. We can make the set and reset program, and latch and latches only we can choose for the some motors we need to be read continue for running, so we can use this latch and latch. And if we like to make the program and we can use the set reset. And now we will monitor the program and this cancel. You can see our main power line is now color changed, it's in the blue color, and now we will test. Focus on the Y1, our will be on off. As I give the signal at X0, after you can see our Y1 is now gone on. And when I give the signal at X1, after it will be goes to reset. You can see our after X1 is off. Again I will give the signal X0, can see on, and this is X1 is now goes to off. And if you like to see the physical system, so you can very simple, it here can be make, you can this Y1 Y1 open contact of the PLC, and you can use it the other contact of your Y3 for an example, and click OK, and you will be see the physical. Here also you can download, go here and download, and here also you can take the download function. These two buttons, this is for upload and this is for download. When you click it on this button, after your program will be start download. No need to go into the PLC function list. Click yes and cancel this one and make the monitor our program, and you can see our program is now monitor. And when we give the signal at X0, you can see our Y3 is now on. You can see the physical indication at the Y3. Our Y1 is on, and when we give the signal at X1, after you will be see our Y3 is now off. So hope guys you will be understand about the set reset function, how we can use in the INVT PLC. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.